Hello everyone, today's recipe is one of my favorite street food in Manila. I remember when I was studying back then, after school, I always passed by a street where there was a lot of food vendors selling different kinds of barbecue on stick. I'm so addicted with this recipe with a spicy vinegar dipping sauce, which they call it pakurat, and also sweet, thick, and spicy second dipping sauce, which makes this barbecue so tasty and delicious. So today, I will be sharing with you the secret on how to make this barbecue. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Hey guys, let's go prepare the barbecue. So I'm gonna put everything on the barbecue. So the temperature is 400 degrees centigrade or degrees Fahrenheit. It should be really high because if it's in a low temperature, the meat is not gonna be cooked properly because it's not gonna give a good char, and also it's gonna dry it up because the juice gonna remove from the meat. Unless if it's really high, the proper grilling is really high temperature so that the meat will cook like quickly, char quickly, and then the juice not gonna remove, right? So keep on putting all the meat on the grill. So fill it up so that it will cover the whole, so that the heat will absorb on the meat. So like that. I put some aluminum foil in front so that I know that this steak has been soaking overnight in the water so that it won't burn. But still, I want to protect it by putting aluminum foil on in front of the grill. As you can see, it's searing really quickly. It will take a couple of minutes before we turn the meat. So and then we're gonna keep on brush some a little bit of basting sauce, just a little bit, not too much because it's gonna burn. Just to give the meat more flavor to it. And then I have two tongs. This one is for the cooked meat, and then this one is for the raw meat. We need to avoid contamination of the meat because using two different tongs will avoid the contamination. So this one, I'm going to be using this one for the raw meat. That's why I have two color-coded tongue, which is the other one is yellow, the other one is plain. So this one I know that it's not going to get confused, so I can use this one for the raw meat. So I'm going to check if it's there's some char already. So it's been more than a minute now, so one more minute and then we're gonna turn the meat on. So as you can see, the smoke is going up because it's really hot at the bottom. So you can see there's a big char already in there. So for now, I'm gonna cover the barbecue grill, and then after a couple of minutes, I'm gonna open it and then turn it. Okay, 2 minutes. There you go. It's ready to turn it. I'm gonna be using this tongue because it's still raw on the top. So I'm gonna turn it. See, look at that one. It's nice and nicely charred. Nice and golden brown. So I'm gonna turn everything. Put more basting sauce on top. Then we're gonna cover again. After 2 minutes, we're gonna open it. Wow, it's stirring, and then I'm gonna put some more basting in it, and then we're just gonna cook the basting liquid so that absorb the sauce in the meat, and then we're gonna cook the rest of the meat, the skewer. So this one is almost done. So I'm just gonna heat it up this side so that the sauce will be totally cooked too. Then after I put some sauce, I'm gonna turn it again and then put it on the top to continue the cooking so that it won't get dry. There you go. It's like street barbecue, huh? It's smoking now. And then one more side, I'm gonna put some more basting. And then later I'm gonna dip this one in the two sauces that I made a while ago. Looking good. Now I'm gonna turn it again because the other side already absorbed the basting sauce. Look at this color. like my mouth is already watering because I remember back home when I always order barbecue, I always order 5 sticks right away. I can't remember how much during that day then. And then I dip it in the sour, and then after that one, dip it to the next one, which is the sweet and spicy. So just heat it up for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna put this one up so that I can get a more smoky flavor and also continue on cooking. So this one is done, so we're gonna transfer it there. That one is looking good. Looking good, guys. See? I can't wait until I tasted it. Okay, I'm gonna put the next one. Same procedure. I'm gonna put some basting on top. And then leave it there for 2 minutes. And turn up for one at the side. Because I don't need all the food. So I'm gonna put more basting here. Just to give them a color. Just a little bit. Because we're still gonna put some more after. This one is the need to use down for the cooked one, and then I'm gonna use this one for the raw. There you go. And then I'm gonna cover this a little bit. Then after 2 minutes, this one should be nice and hot. So I'm gonna put this on the corner because I turned off this side already, so that it's not gonna be overcooked and it's not gonna get dry. So I'm gonna transfer this one on the other side because there's only one heat on the half of the grill because I don't have enough meat already. So this one should be good enough to for the heat. See, have you noticed, guys? When I put the aluminum foil here, look at the stick. It doesn't burn. So it's still, the color of the stick is still there, so it looks good. So now, change again. This is the raw meat, so I'm gonna turn this one again. After 2 minutes, and then this guy has a nice grill. Now I don't need this one anymore because the other half is already cooked. So 2 more turning and then we're good. It's good to go. Okay, close it again. Okay guys, after 2 minutes, it's looking good. Nice char. If you're not sure if the meat is cooked, so once you touch it and then it's firm, it means the meat is cooked. And then if it's saggy and a little bit bouncy, the meat is not cooked yet. So this one is just getting firm, so it should be done. So I'm gonna put another basting liquid here. Just a last basting part. Okay, turn it again. One more basting, last one, last side. I got my 2 dipping sauce here. I can't wait until I tasted it. This one is the pakora, and then this one is the sweet and a little bit thick and spicy dipping sauce. So once you dip it in there, dip it in a little bit sweet and sour dipping sauce. up. Put it up together with the other meat. Looking good. I can't wait until I taste it as well. Okay guys, let's go try it. That's the moment of truth. So I'm gonna dip it in the spicy one first. And then it's like a street food in Manila, right? So then put in a another dipping sauce to make it delicious and tasty. And then here you go guys. Let's go taste it. Oh man, it's really good. You want more vinegar? Wow, so tasty. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I can't wait to finish this one. I want to finish this one. The vinegar, the spicy vinegar, and then when you dip it to the sweet and spicy, the barbecue is perfect. So it's a mouth-watering barbecue, isn't it? So please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you next time.